Dream house. A few years ago, we fell in love with a place that, for us, is magical. The view, in the distance, of the majestic Mount Sutton delighted us. The calm of the forest that surrounds us brings a feeling of well-being. An important element was missing: a beautiful house, welcoming, open and in harmony with the environment. From the first meeting, the architect Nathalie Guion told us things that we liked: the materials that passed through the windows to connect the interior and exterior, the attention to the position of the sun at different times of day, according to the seasons, the overhang which follows the movement of the ground. With his team, we felt an unwavering commitment throughout the project, down to the smallest details: the judicious choice of large wooden panels at the entrance, the solid wood counter in the kitchen, the optimal lighting in the right places, the mature choice of yellow ideal for large hinged doors. MAISON T is our dream house. This house gives us a beautiful living experience where the interior mixes with the exterior. The owners, MAISON T is a pleasure home designed for an urban family in the Eastern Townships, Quebec. It is inspired by the writings of Pliny the Younger, in which the imagination is stimulated by sensual descriptions of Italian villas which, dating from Antiquity, allow contemplation of the surrounding landscape. The site is an inclined terrain with a drop of 11 meters, offering magnificent visual views towards the agricultural valleys, the mountains and the forest. The house was located at the top of the hill, on a flat area. On arrival via the road, it is revealed by 2 cubic volumes with few windows, placed like blocks on the green ground. The first volume, 2 floors and square in shape, is treated with wood cladding. The second volume, 1 story and 23.50 meters long, embedded in the ground at one end of the plot and overhanging the cantilevered hill at the other end, is clad in fiber cement panel. At the center of the composition is a void, a transition space between these 2 volumes, transparent. It opens onto a spectacular panorama with, in the distance, the crest of the Appalachian Mountains and the high summit of Sutton. Inspired by its bucolic environment, this architecture is defined and modulated in relation to the views, sunshine and topography of the place. The layout of the house, its gardens, its terraces and the swimming pool, favored a cruciform plan oriented along the north-south and east-west axis. In plan, the house is structured around 3 distinct parts arranged in a T-plan, hence its name House T. One part accommodates the living room, another the guest bedrooms and the last, on 2 floors, houses the kitchen and the master bedroom upstairs. The central space is the place for meeting, relaxation and contemplation. Entirely glazed, it links with the architectural exterior spaces. To the east, the views open onto the mountain landscape and onto a wooden terrace enjoying the rays of the rising sun. To the south, the central space extends towards a mineral patio where a slender swimming pool juts out towards the deciduous forest. To the west, on the entrance side, it overlooks a water basin, an aquatic garden decorated with papyrus, evoking a Japanese atmosphere. It is from this side that the dining room, in the evening, is bathed in the last rays of the sun. The atmosphere in the house is also created by the presence of water and its lighting. From the water garden, like from the stream which flows at the edge of the house to the pond below, rises a slight rustling of water. The careful lighting of these aqueous environments in addition to that of the house makes the place captivating after dark. The finishing details, both interior and exterior, are the soul of the house. All the integrated furniture is designed with precision and meticulously executed, whether it is the fireplace, the living room bookcase, the butterfly doors leading to the guest bedrooms, the kitchen furniture, with its floating apron island, or even the bathroom furniture, with its wooden cased bathtub, the shutters in the bed and the master bedroom. The same goes for the exterior portions of the walls, in roasted wood, fiber cement, corten steel, white oak panel. As for the floor treatments, in concrete, slate and limestone, they are designed to accentuate the connection between exterior and interior. La Maison T, designed with the best principles of insulation and waterproofing, is NovaClimat certified. The choice of a geothermal system made it possible to reduce the need for energy resources. The fenestration has been studied according to the climate and the orientations, in order to ensure the comfort of each space both in winter and in summer. The opening windows opposite ensure natural ventilation. To the north, the house has few openings. To the south, the roof of the central space, cantilevered above the patio, protects the hall from overheating from the sun in summer while, in winter, the rays provide solar gain. The floor coverings, in concrete and natural stone, preserve freshness during the summer. Equipped with a hydronic heating system, they ensure ideal comfort during the cold seasons. Project completed in 2012.